Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you a very basic example of how to use the fetch API to make a post request. For the API I will be using the API which is a fake REST API JSONPlaceholder. I will be making a request to this endpoint. Let me just copy this endpoint and I will be making a post request. But first of all you just need to write a basic HTML document for making a post request. So here I will give a basic title to it, that is fetch API post example, and we will be doing it in HTML and vanilla JavaScript. And here inside the body we will be having a form. First of all we will be giving a ID to the form which will be form, and the method will be post. And inside this form guys we will be having two input fields. This will be of type text and we will be giving a ID to it which will be name of the to do, and a placeholder also which will be name. And similarly we will be also be giving input type text. This time we will be giving the, let's suppose we want to have the body of the to do. You can see that we will be giving the body, so this will be the body here, placeholder. Let me just give body. And lastly we will be having the ID to the to do, so this will be number, so this will be ID, so the placeholder will be ID. So these are the three fields. And lastly we will be having a submit field. In order to submit the form, the value will be add to do. That's it. And now guys I just need to add some JavaScript to process this form. And now in the script section, just make a script section here. So inside this script section, first of all you just need to get the form by document.getElement by ID, and here you just need to pass the ID of the form. And now you can just add a event listener to the form. Whenever it is submitted, we just need to get the event first of all like this, and from this we can just first of all prevent the auto submission of the form. Auto submission of the form by calling a very simple method which is e.preventDefault. And now we want to get all the values. First of all the title of the to do, which was let me just show you, sorry, the name of the to do. So we can just get it by again calling document.getElement by ID, and here I will pass the ID of the that I have given. Secondly we will get the body, which will be document.getElement by ID, and here I will be passing body. And lastly I will give the ID like this, document.getElement by ID, pass here ID. So now I have got all the three things that I need. Now I just need to make the simple fetch post request in order to submit this. So I will be calling fetch, and first of all copy paste the URL. So this is a URL guys. Now basically we just need to add some options of my post request. These are very basic options. You just need to provide a configuration object inside curly brackets. First of all there is a method option. This will be a post request, so this is that. And the second option it takes is the body, the actual body of the post request. So for converting the JSON into string we will be using Json Dot Stringify, and here we will be providing three properties here. First is the title of the to do, so this will be equal to the name property that we have initialized. Second is the body of the to do, so this will be equal to the body. And lastly the ID, so the ID will be equal to the actual ID that we have grabbed here. You can see that. Now after providing all the values we will also be providing a header options. So here we will just write the headers here. So inside the headers property we will be giving the actual headers here, which will be the content type, which will be application/JSON. Let me just copy paste it here. Let me just see. Yes, application/JSON. And also we also need to add this UTF-8 charset is equal to UTF char set is equal to, let me just see what is UTF-8. So this is the headers that you want to add here. So now our post request is complete. Now in order to handle it, we will be getting the promise. We want to just configure it by .10. So this will return a simple response to it, function response. First of all, we just need to convert it to JSON. So here we will just call return response to JSON, and then we will have another then which will get the actual data for us. So now we can just console log the data like this. And now guys, if I refresh the application, this is my application. You will see that 3 fields are there: name, body, ID, and the button. Now if I give a name to the to do, let's suppose Gautam, this is the body, and ID, let's suppose I give 1, and if I click add to do, so basically you can see that this JSON response has been returned here. The title, body, or sorry, we haven't called this value here, that is why it has, you just need to add here value so that it grabs the value, actual value that is entered. So just add this, and now if I refresh once again, it hopefully it will grab the value also. If I click add to do, you will see that a JSON response has been returned to us. So basically this is a to do that is constructed with the title Gautam, body, this is a body, and the ID which is assigned to the to do, which is 101. I think that the ID is auto generated, so in this case I need not have to provide the ID, I can just delete it here. So I can just remove it here. ID is auto generated like primary key, so I need not have to. And right here after the form, I can display the results. So inside this results div, I can just display the information which is constructed. So right here I can first of all get the reference inside the results variable here. Results is equal to document.getElement by ID. We can just select it by results, and now we can just manipulate the inner HTML property of it, and we can just construct I will use a backtick symbol. In that way I can just embed the variables also. So first of all, the title of the to do is $, a set of curly brackets in order to embed the variable. So this will be data dot title. Let me just close this paragraph, and inside the other paragraph I need to write the body of the to do. So this will be the body of the to do is $. Inside we need to write data dot body, that's it, and need to close the paragraph, that's it. And now if I refresh it, you will see that if I submit the name and the body, click add to do, so you will see that guys, it has constructed this response, title, body, this is the ID, you can see that, and the title of the to do is Gautam, and the body of the to do is, this is the body. So in this way guys, I have just illustrated a very basic example of the fetch API, that is how you can use post request in fetch API with the help of JSONPlaceholder, fake REST API for developers. So thanks very much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Until then, thank you very much.